Welcome back to a normal video. Olivia's right there.
A little, she's sitting right here with us.
She wants to be in the video. And we're doing Chargers.
We're going to do 66, 67 Dodge Chargers in this video.
First one.
And this is the first edition car. The first Charger that they came out with. And it actually has taillights on it.
There's Hot Wheels, Giant Lightning, and M2.
Yeah, there's an M2 in there, isn't there? So this was the first edition car, silver with red interior. And it actually has taillights on it. I guess that's because when Hot Wheels did a little bit better with their stuff when they first came out. Just a plastic chrome base on it. So that's our first one. Excuse me. Alright. Next one. These are not in any particular order, like from what years came out first and whatever. I'm not really sure. This is just the ones I have sitting around. Here's this yellow one with these flames on it, and it's got black interior. Got these saw blade
You see if they'll bring
wheels.
this back in the main line?
This car?
Yeah. Or was it final run?
No, it was never final run. I don't know if they'll bring it back. It's been quite a while since it's been out. The only one who's still, well, M2 makes one, and Johnny Lightning still makes theirs, I think. But I don't know. I don't know if Hot Wheels is gonna bring it back again. No taillights on this car. And we have this red one. And it says Hot Wheels on the side. $3.99 on the back there. Plastic chrome base, black interior. Kind of a nice one. Not too bad looking one. Graphics are not too bad. They're alright. Alrighty. And then we have this blue version with white stripes, black interior. And it's blue and white. I think this year there were 3 of these cars because I see 2 more different color combination. So that's one. Put those other, and then here's a recolor of it in gold and black, and then the third was burgundy and white. So this year there were 3 of these cars that came out with the same tempo, same decal, or whatever, however you want to put it, livery. So you got a gold and black one, burgundy and white, and blue and white. Which one do you like the best, Tommy? The gold one?
Or this one.
Or the burgundy one? One of those two, not so much the blue.
Mm-hmm.
The gold looks pretty cool. I have to say maybe the gold one with the black stripes looks better.
I don't think none of them stand out compared to this guy.
And this is the treasure hunt from, oh my gosh, I can't remember when this treasure hunt came out. It does have taillights in it, though. They did the taillights up on it. And it's got rubber tires on it, plastic base. Where does it say? It says treasure hunt on here somewhere. I'm not sure where. It should say treasure hunt, or should it have a TH on it?
I think it has a TH somewhere on the side.
Maybe it's on the hood.
No. I remember seeing it, but I don't remember what it was.
You remember seeing it somewhere on there?
I think. Maybe it's that T. Right here.
Where?
Or maybe they forgot to put it on.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I know this is the treasure hunt car because it's got rubber tires on it. And I remember it was yellow. But it doesn't say. It doesn't have the TH on it anywhere. That's strange. That is strange. But I'm pretty sure this is the treasure hunt. From 2000 and... I don't know, 2001? 2002? What? Yeah.
That's one.
And here's another one.
Is this like in the series?
I want to. Is it what?
It was like in the series.
Well, this was the Wasteland series. You know what? This car, I don't think is the Wasteland car. Or is it? I don't know if that's the actual car that belongs in there, Tommy. I want to say this red one actually belongs in there, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure which one actually belongs in it. Because I had these all loose when we lived up north.
Yeah.
And then I just kind of put them in whatever because I need, you know, when I had to take everything down because we were going to be moving out of there. So I just kind of put them in wherever I could put them to get them off the shelves. So they might not be in the exact same containers. I don't know, what color would that be? Like a burnt orange, maybe? It might be a burnt orange. This could be the car that belongs in that case. It's got a skull on the front fenders.
Isn't it?
And the next one is this green one. And it's got some black stripes. Black grill. Is it kind of... Oh yeah, it does have a black base. So the grill and the rear bumper are part of the base, it looks like. Yeah, they are. The bumper and the front bumper and grill are all part of the base. Okay. So there's a green one. What color interior is that guy? Oh, it's got gray interior. It looks... Yeah, I guess it kind of looks gray. It looks kind of white, but it could be gray from the camera. But it is a gray interior, but it's got tinted window on it. Makes it look a little different. Alrighty, what else you got there? Oh, this car doesn't belong in there for sure. This car, back in, I don't know, 2002 or 2003, 4, somewhere in there, in the early, they had these tracks. You could buy tracks, and then you get a car with the track. And this is what this car is from. This car has got a metal base.
Is it hard?
And does it have rubber tires?
Is it hard?
No, it's got plastic. Well, at the time they weren't too hard to find. But this is metal body, metal base, plastic tires, but got red line tires, so to speak, on there. It's got white interior. And this was one of those cars that you could get. And it was like, I don't know, I think you got like 10 foot of track or something. And then they gave you a card. And then this is one, and the other one, there was another one. There was the Hotbird, the Trans Am was the other one. I got that too somewhere, in one of those boxes somewhere. The Hotbird is in there. And it's got red line wheels just like this car. But it must have a metal base on that Hotbird because this has got a metal base. I don't know, somewhere around 2003, 2004.
Cool, Daddy.
But this car looks cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice one. I like this one.
Look cool, Daddy.
Yeah, I like them.
Let's see them.
This one came out. This is the classic series. And this is the blue version.
That should be the other one.
And these are all metal on metal too.
Should I show the other two?
Yeah, I have 3 of them all together.
The silver.
And this one here is the blue one. And then this one here is like a chrome colored one or silver.
And orange.
And then there's like an orange one.
I'm helping Thomas to throw those in there.
Okay. I think there's
Olivia, do not throw this one in there.
I think there's 5 colors,
Just leave
Tommy.
it.
5 colors each. So I have 3 out of the 5. I'm not sure what colors I'm missing. I think there's a black one that I'm missing, and I don't know, maybe a green one? I can't remember, Tommy, what the other 2 I'm missing, but I'm missing 2 of them, so I got 3 out of the 5. And these are all metal on metal. But they do have plastic tires, though.
Almost done with the Hot Wheels. There's only one more. Here's the last one.
This is a holiday car here. It's one of, what does it say?
That one's Christmas.
Does it have a limited on here? All designed by Larry Wood. Limited edition, it says. 67 Charger. Holiday rides. On 4 cars and 4 colors each. The holiday ride. Oh, so there's 4 cars and 4 different colors. This is 2005. There you go. So you got So there's 4 colors for. So there's 16 cars altogether then.
Uh-oh.
Don't drop it.
Don't throw that one away. Olivia, don't throw that one.
We can just take it back out, Tommy. Don't worry about it. What you do? Leave it in the plastic?
I like the plastic.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. It's kind of like Auto World. How Auto World has the box and the plastic, you can put the car back in.
But not just that.
Yeah.
It also comes with this.
Yeah, it comes with that other part. Yeah. And this is metal on metal, and it does have rubber tires on this one. It's got rear riders on it. If they'll focus in. There it goes. And it's metal on metal. This car, actually, Tommy, if you think about it, it looks just like this blue one. But the blue one is not a holiday car. I know it's not a holiday car because the red one has rubber tires and this one has plastic tires. But it's the same same color scheme. The exact same color scheme. And the blue one has taillights in it. Does this car have taillights in it? Yeah, it actually has taillights in it too. Doesn't look like it because the car is red. It says Charger across the taillight on that one. So is the blue one. Alright, they both say Charger across the taillights. You know, all these rear rider, these metal on metal cars, they all say Charger across the taillights. That's interesting. Alright. Johnny Lightning we're gonna go with. These are, what is that one? Is that sweet? Let me see here. It says sweet, but it said something on the back. Hey, that thing got a Hemi. Okay, and this is from what year? 2005. Here you go. Let's see if we can get it out of there. Oh, that was easy. This is like a aqua color, kind of an aqua color car. It should have an opening hood. Yes, it does. It does have an opening
Seems like
hood.
only John Lightnings can fit in these things.
What are they? Smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
So the Johnny Lightning car is smaller than the Hot Wheels car?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it is. It is shorter. Wow. Didn't know that.
I only knew that because the car couldn't fit in it.
And it's got dark blue interior. This has a red line tire on it too. And it's metal on metal. Johnny Lightnings. It's got all the tail lights on it. It's got all the chrome on it around the windows. Painted in. That one looks really good.
Stinky toes.
Alright, aqua color. Alright, and then we got a
Merry
holiday.
Christmas.
This is a holiday classic ornament, and it's green.
Cars in the back. Is the Roadrunner one of them?
Oh, because we did a blue Roadrunner, didn't we?
Barracuda. Not seeing a Roadrunner.
What year is those? Roadrunner is probably from a different year. Wow, there's a lot of let's see here, 2004. 2004. Yeah, somebody crossed off the Hemi Dodge Charger that they got it. The Hornet. 59 Laurel, 70 Chevelle, 66 Buick, 61 Catalina, 62 Plymouth, GTO Tucker. The Tucker's even there. There you go.
I also took out this.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we'll keep that. Alright, you gonna take that holiday car out?
Oh.
No, let you take it out. I don't want that ornament piece.
You don't?
Nah, the piece
But
that goes on the
we
roof.
could use it as an ornament
Yeah,
for
that's
Christmas.
alright. Yeah, then it falls off the tree and falls on the ground. No, that's alright.
I'm gonna take it out and see how it works.
Yeah, I think it clips onto the roof where the doors are. Wow, that thing looks really sharp and green.
Like this?
Yeah, something like that, yeah. There you go. That's how it works.
Yeah, now we got ourselves...
Christmas, Daddy.
Yeah,
Yeah, Christmas.
now we got ourselves an ornament. I'm gonna leave that on there.
Alright. This has an opening hood, doesn't it? Tommy?
Yeah. I like the green color better than
The aqua one?
the world one, the blue.
Stop. Olivia, you keep bumping me. Can you, please? Then the blue Roadrunner?
Yeah.
Well, green's your color anyhow.
Yeah.
And it does have rubber wheels on
It
this.
seems like it stays on there pretty well too.
Yeah, it's made to stay on there. Man, I can't get this into focus.
Oh, I almost got it. No,
Hey.
don't show that one yet.
You know what? That doesn't have a metal base on here, Tommy. It's got a plastic base.
It does?
Yeah, that's plastic. That's not metal. It's got rear riders on it, but it's got a plastic base on it.
Okay. Yep, there's that car.
Alright, and then the last car.
Olivia.
Last car is an M2.
Hold on.
And this is an M2. Right here. And it's got gold wheels on it. Blue interior. And there's under the hood. Oh, this is heavy. But it's got a plastic base, but it's got big slicks in the back and little tiny tires up front. And it's got screws to hold the base in.
A little early for Christmas.
Come on, Olivia, please.
Or we could use the air car as an ornament. Air Christmas.
Oh, the Hot Wheels car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now we can use anything as a Christmas ornament.
Yeah, you can put any car. Use that thing for any car.
I'm gonna keep this.
Alright.
I'm gonna leave
I
on
want to
this
keep
one though.
the one that looks like a red one.
So which one do you like the best, Tommy?
Christmas.
Probably the M2?
I like the one
These
that
are my three
hangs.
favorites.
I like the one that
Those two,
hangs.
the last two.
And I'm a little bit on these guys too.
Wow. Yeah, those are all the nicer ones.
Why not?
The ones that are more plain color,
Those are
that don't have no graphics on them, seem to be
these
the better
two here
looking ones.
are graphics. So.
Well, the M2 is like race graphics. That doesn't look so bad. And I
And
guess
this one is
the
a treasure
treasure hunt, because it's got a number on it, so it kind of has like,
racing style.
yeah, kind of like a racing graphics. That doesn't, you know,
But my favorite for the video
is the green one.
You can hang.
He likes the green one. All right.
Hope you enjoyed the
My
video.
favorite
Comment down below
one is
how you like this. Or
Yeah.
which one's your favorite.
Do you put those on your? Do you use
Or
those and put them on
anything.
your Christmas tree? Because
Yeah.
if we never did it before, so I don't know. Maybe this year, maybe we.
Because Christmas
we
is
will.
like in 2 months.
I like
Yeah.
Not
this
2
one
minutes.
the best too.
Yeah. 2 months
I like
off.
this
So.
one the best
Hit subscribe,
too.
hit the bell button,
I
hit
like this one the best too,
and see you
Daddy.
next time.
And we'll see you in the
Daddy,
next
I
video.
like this one the
Bye.
best
You like
too.
that one? Okay. All right. Bye, guys.
Have a great
Have a
Halloween.
big day.
Oh yeah.